So to make the tang or orange juice popsicle or ice candy, we are going to take a glass of water and we're going to add 3 teaspoons of tang into it and stir it well. Next, we're going to pour the tang into the popsicle or ice candy. We will freeze it for 8 hours. Now for the second ice candy, we're going to take a pre-made or an orange juice with 1 teaspoon of sugar and we're going to put it in the second popsicle mold, and after freezing it for 8 hours, our yummy popsicles or ice candy is ready. So to make the lemon flavored popsicle, we'll need a lemon. So we'll cut the lemon in half like so. Now we'll pop the lemon into the lemon squeezer and we'll extract the juice of half a lemon. Next we'll add 2 teaspoons of sugar into it. Now we'll stir it well. Now we'll add water to the juice. Next we'll pour the lemonade which we have made into the popsicle mold. We'll let it freeze for about 8 hours and here's our yummy popsicle ready. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for free to Crystal Crafts.